The Muscovy ducks of Functional Rustic. Muscovy ducks do not quack. That heavy breathing noise is how they verbally communicate. Mostly they talk with tail wags, butt wiggles. Up in the top right, we've got George. Over here on the left is Goldie. She's our hen. The gray one is Chester. This other dark one is Brutus. And there's Larry. You guys, what are you doing? This is why I don't get a lot done during the day. They're just so cute. It appears that Goldie's butt wiggle brings all the boys to the yard. That gray and white one, top left, that's the hen. She's the only girl. Everybody else are drakes. What is making that noise? Oh, you. To see more of the Muscovy ducks and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer, go to functionalrustic.com.